Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our Chevy El Camino. Pretty cool car. 350 4-speed power steering, power brakes. So optioned up nice. Nice car. The paint's got a good shine to it. So it's good enough to show. Probably had a few years on the paint. So you can see there's a chip here and there just from driving it. And that's what I would do. I'd drive this car. Just a fun car to drive. You can see a little rock chip there. We'll show you the few imperfections. There's not a lot. Bodywork looks pretty straight. As you can see, the seams are pretty good on it. Looking at that. So pretty good fit. One little, I don't know if you can see that. It's hard to see there. Maybe you can see one little ding up there, but you can see the shine on that paint. So they did a good job on it. And like I said, rock chip here and there, just from driving it. A little bit of paint chipped off the handle there. They rhino lined the bed, which is what everybody does nowadays. Like I said, got a good look with that black down on the bottom. There's your gate, got a little bit of, the original chrome. Probably a few marred up, but that's not bad for its age. And here's probably the worst chip on the whole thing, and that's right there. So not many imperfections. Nice car. We'll also do one of it running and of it driving. So like I said, you can see a few chips here and there. Otherwise, I mean, nice straight car, nice seams. Just a really, really good looking car. Interior, really no issues whatsoever. Pretty much doesn't need anything. There's your 4-speed. Does have your tach, gauges, stereo, so ready to go. How we checked it over, everything seems good on it. The only thing we know is that speedometer doesn't work, and that's because it's missing the gears in the 4-speed. So can't turn the speedometer cable. So as of right now, that's how you're buying it. But with a tach, you'll be able to know how fast you're going, or with the digital with your phone, you can see your speed. So super nice car, good shape, ready to go and have some fun with. 605-695-7391.